Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia Lott and my channel is about journaling and goal setting. So today I will walk you through how I do my weekly spread, how I do my to-do list and my habit tracker. I need to retool my to-do list section, I think, just because or just figure out some other way to do my to-dos. I really don't want to move to any sort of digital thing just because I hate getting the notifications and stuff on my phone, and it just over time it just doesn't work for me anyway. I just can start to tune notifications out if they're on my phone. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I do need to redo this just because things that I need to do are not getting done. Perhaps for my new journal, because look, I am getting toward the end of this journal and I need to figure out how I'm going to set up the new journal. All right, well, but before I do that, let's go ahead and put in the final, let's go ahead and put in the final week of this journal. So this is the week of December 4th through the 10th. I do my morning check-in. I normally wake up around 5:30 in the morning. It's just I want to have at least a couple of hours of time before I start my work day. So I start work at 8:45 in the morning, and then I go until 5:30 in the evening. So I like to make sure that I have a few hours just to kind of do my own thing before I start work. And it's important that I do that before work, because work, even though I work from home, it kind of sucks my energy. I don't know, and I just don't want to do anything productive or serious or anything after work. So yeah, after work I'm usually just flopped out in front of the television. So definitely, even though I'm not a morning person, it is for me definitely best to do everything in the morning before work. And I read my goals aloud. And my two goals are be completely debt-free by January 2024 and publish, not make, publish one new YouTube video per week for 1 year. Journal for 5 minutes. Read for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to put Spanish for 60 minutes. No internet or phone. No internet or phone. I'm going to put a slash. Phone after 8. Then I take my vitamin, my to-do list. Ready for bed at 9:30 p.m. I leave some space in case I want to add new tasks. And then yes, I just, as the week goes on, as the day goes on, I put an X next to the things I did. And there you have it. I hope that things go better this week, but if they don't, that's okay. And I'm going to just retool things for my next journal, which I'm so happy about. I haven't even opened it yet. I got it from Amazon, and it's just sitting in the plastic. So I'm very excited to unveil it to the world and also get it set up. So that should be my next, no, that won't be the next video, but that'll be coming next week, the week of the 11th. So be on the lookout for that. I will do my to-do list. All right. Boom. My first question in the morning, I will ask myself, or I will say, today I get to blah, blah, blah. And the reason I chose this one is just because, I think it's natural to kind of go through the course of your day and kind of say, I have to go to work, I have to go to the bank, and blah, blah, just all these things you have to do, instead of saying like, oh, today I get to help people at my job, today I get to make money that I can use to buy food for myself and snacks and alcohol and today I get to spend time with my family, things like that. So just trying to kind of make it, just remember the privilege that I have to be able to do certain things. So today I get to. When I first saw this question, I was like, this is kind of corny, but at the same time, I think it is good to kind of reframe it that way, and trying to keep things positive. All right, second one is, how do I want to feel when I go to bed tonight? And just last month I had the word of the month, which was resourceful, and so this is kind of making it a daily thing where I'm saying, okay, what feeling do I want to feel in the evening? So maybe I want to feel accomplished, maybe I want to feel content, maybe I want to feel satisfied or happy or full from dinner. Who knows? I'm very food motivated, if you couldn't tell. So yes, just trying to think of that and hopefully keep that in mind throughout the day. Okay, and so I'm only going to do 2 questions for the AM because I am not a morning person and I don't want to make myself think too hard. Boop! I'm going to set a timer in the morning, 5 minutes. It usually doesn't even take me 5 minutes, but if I have a little time left over, I may spend the rest of the time reviewing my to-do list again or finding something else. I try to keep it journal focused with the remaining minute and a half or whatever I have left. And then I put my PM. Okay, PM journal prompts. Okay, first one is going to be, I always like to end the day with a little bit of gratitude. What am I grateful for today? I won't put a number, but it probably will be around 2 things. That's cool. I'm not an ingrate. I'm just saying. And then my next question will be, what was a moment of joy? Oops. Okay, a moment of joy. There we go. A moment of joy or contentment today. And usually that answer would be for contentment. It definitely would be sitting and writing in my journal that evening before I go to bed. That's usually when I feel content and just pleased with how the day went, or, you know, at least happy that it's over. So either way. And lastly, what could I have done differently today? I do like to try and make every day a learning moment, a learning experience. So what could I have done differently? Maybe I didn't need to speak to that client that way. Or maybe I should have called my friend. Or maybe just, I don't know. Lots of different things. I'm an awkward person. So I'm always thinking backward and thinking of what I could have done differently in a situation, usually a social situation. I could have said this, or maybe I didn't have to make that face when they said that, whatever. So there will always be something there. And this will be my space to write. I just brain dump. Actually, I didn't leave myself a lot of space, so it might be smaller for December 5th. We don't know. But this will be my remaining space to write and just kind of talk about my day. I don't really have an exciting life. I just go off and just talk about whatever's bothering me. It does help to kind of do this brain dump right before bed. I do sleep better when I do it. And I noticed on the days that I don't do it, it just feels different. It feels funny. Like, I just feel like something's missing if I don't write in my journal before bed. If you're not at that point yet and you would like to get to that point, you will. Just keep at it. But this is my journaling spread, my journal page. So this is my business and this is my mental health check, I guess. So I hope this was helpful to watch this. And last week I did a just a cute little like voting and to see if people liked music in my videos or not. And a lot of you, voted in, and I appreciate that. I'm not sure because I had a lot of dislikes on the video. You know how you could like the video or dislike the video, and I get a dislike here and there, but this was way more than usual, and I think some people who watched the video may have thought that that's how you vote for the music. I hope that's what it is. I hope it wasn't just the people hated the video. So and then I put a comment like, hey, actually put an emoji in the comments. I didn't make that clear before, but please put an emoji in the comments whether you want music or not. So just, I guess, counting the people who said yes and counting the dislikes in the video and some of the people who said no music, I guess. So this video will have no music. And I'm just honoring that vote. I think that's what that was, is that people were just voting not in the correct way, but I get the point. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, music free. That actually was kind of fun and interesting just to see how it would turn out. So leave a message in the comments. Maybe, if you want to do like a after the fact vote for music in the future, I'm open to that. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for watching. Please do like this video with your thumb up. I hope there was nothing that would make you give it a thumbs down. Have a good week. Upside down, wave goodbye. Hi. Let me close this. Boop.